Welcome to Natural Life Channel. 15 Genius Hacks and Essential Care Tips. Cucumbers are not only refreshing and delicious, but also a versatile vegetable that can be used in salads, sandwiches, and pickles. If you're a cucumber enthusiast and want to grow an abundance of these crunchy delights in your own garden, we've got you covered. Here are 15 hacks for growing tons of cucumbers along with some useful caring tips to help you achieve a bountiful harvest. One. Choose the right variety. Start by selecting a cucumber variety that suits your growing conditions and preferences. There are many different types available, including slicing cucumbers, pickling cucumbers, and specialty varieties, like English cucumbers. Read up on the different varieties and choose one that best fits your needs. 2. Start from seeds. Growing cucumbers from seeds gives you a wider range of options and is more cost-effective. Start the seeds indoors about 3 to 4 weeks before the last frost date in your area. Transplant the seedlings outdoors once the soil has warmed up. 3. Provide adequate sunlight. Cucumbers thrive in full sunlight. Choose a location in your garden that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight per day. If you have limited space, consider growing them vertically on trellises or fences to maximize sunlight exposure. 4. Prepare well-draining soil. Cucumbers prefer well-draining soil with a slightly acidic pH level between 6 and 7. Add organic matter such as compost or well-rotted manure to improve soil fertility and drainage. 5. Proper spacing. Give your cucumber plants enough space to spread out and grow. Plant them about 12 to 24 inches apart in rows that are 5 to 6 feet apart. Adequate spacing allows for good air circulation, reducing the risk of diseases. 6. Mulch to retain moisture. Apply a layer of organic mulch, such as straw or wood chips, around your cucumber plants. Mulching helps retain moisture in the soil, prevents weed growth, and keeps the fruits clean and free from soil splashes. 7. Regular watering. Cucumbers require consistent moisture to grow well. Water them deeply and regularly, ensuring the soil stays evenly moist. Avoid overwatering, as it can lead to root rot. Use drip irrigation or a soaker hose to deliver water directly to the roots while minimizing moisture on the foliage. 8. Provide vertical support. Consider using trellises, stakes, or cages to support your cucumber plants. Vertical support not only saves space, but also encourages upward growth, improves air circulation, and makes harvesting easier. 9. Encourage pollination. Cucumber plants rely on pollination to produce fruits. You can attract pollinators, like bees and butterflies, by planting flowering companion plants nearby, such as marigolds or borage. If you notice a lack of pollinators, you can hand-pollinate the flowers using a small brush or cotton swab. 10. Fertilize regularly. Cucumbers are heavy feeders and benefit from regular fertilization. Apply a balanced organic fertilizer or compost every 2 to 3 weeks during the growing season. This provides the necessary nutrients for vigorous growth and abundant fruiting. 11. Prune for productivity. To promote better air circulation and reduce the risk of diseases, consider pruning the cucumber plants. Pinch off the lateral shoots that develop in the leaf axils, as well as any damaged or diseased leaves. 12. Monitor pests and diseases. Keep a close eye on your cucumber plants for any signs of pests or diseases. Common pests include cucumber beetles, aphids, and spider mites. If you notice any issues, take prompt action using organic pest control methods or insecticidal soaps. 13. Harvest regularly. Harvest cucumbers when they reach the desired size, usually 6 to 8 inches long for slicing varieties. Regular harvesting encourages continuous production and prevents the fruits from becoming seedy and bitter. Use a sharp knife or garden shears to cut the cucumbers from the vine. 14. Preserve the harvest. If you find yourself with an abundance of cucumbers, consider preserving them through pickling or canning. Pickling cucumbers are perfect for making delicious homemade pickles that can be enjoyed throughout the year. 15. Rotate crops. To prevent soil-borne diseases and maintain soil fertility, practice crop rotation. Avoid planting cucumbers or any other members of the cucurbit family in the same spot for consecutive years. Rotate with unrelated crops like beans or lettuce to break the disease cycle. By following these 15 hacks and caring tips, you'll be well on your way to growing tons of delicious cucumbers in your own garden. Remember to stay attentive to your plant's needs and enjoy the fruits of your labor all season long. Happy cucumber gardening!